In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your PDFs using Docusign 2024. Now, whether you're looking to make a simple update or overhaul a document completely, Docusign provides a seamless way to manage and edit your files efficiently and reliably. So, let's dive right in. First, you need to visit the Docusign homepage, which is the #1 service in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management. Once you're there, the next step is to look for the login button. It's usually at the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click on it to log into your account. If you're not already registered, you'll need to create an account, but for today's purpose, we'll assume you already have one. After logging in, navigate to the Docusign home screen. This is essentially your dashboard where you can manage all your documents. From this central hub, you'll want to select a template. Templates in Docusign are pre-arranged formats that can streamline your editing process, especially if you're working with standard forms or documents that you use frequently. Choose the one that best matches your PDF editing needs. Once you've got your template selected, the next step is to add the necessary details to it. This might include the names, addresses, and other pertinent information relating to the recipients of the document. Taking the time to fill in these details carefully is important because it allows for a smoother workflow later when your document is in circulation. Now that your template is prepared with the necessary details, click on the Next button. This will transition you into the next phase of preparing your PDF for editing. At this point, Docusign gives you a suite of editing tools that you can use to modify your document as needed. After clicking Next, you'll see an option labeled Actions on the screen. It's essential to familiarize yourself with the tools in this menu because they allow you to customize and personalize your document further. Click on this Actions button to proceed. Within the Actions menu, you'll finally find the option to Edit Documents. Click on this feature to begin modifying your PDF. This is where you can make any necessary changes to text, add additional information, or remove outdated content from your document. Docusign's editing interface is intuitive, so you'll find it easy to navigate as you apply these edits to your PDF. That's it, the entire process from logging in to editing your PDF using Docusign 2024. With these steps, you can efficiently update your documents in a way that is both time-saving and professional. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials for even more tips and tricks on using Docusign to its full potential.